How to fix the no GPS showing approximate location error on Waze. This tutorial shows you how to get your GPS working properly again. First, long press the Waze icon from your home screen and tap App Info. After that, tap on Permissions and find Location from the list. From there, make sure it's set to Allow all the time or while using the app. If it's set to anything else, go ahead and change it. Right here, go back to App Info and tap Force Stop, then tap OK to confirm. Next up, tap on Storage and then tap Clear Cache to remove any temporary files that could be interfering with the GPS. Moving on, go back to App Info and tap on Battery. From here, make sure battery optimization is set to unrestricted, so Waze isn't being limited from accessing GPS in the background. Finally, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart. Once your device boots back up, open Waze and check if the GPS is picking up your location correctly. Hope this helped you out. If it did, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.